to the voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in Proverbs 24, verses 3 and 4. By wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. Through knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. We need wisdom to build a house. Unless we have the wisdom to build it, we might build a house on a faulty foundation, and it won't last. This was emphasized by the Lord Jesus Christ when he gave the two kinds of builders. He was saying that there were two kinds of builders. One would build his house on a rock. The other would build his house on a sand. The one that built his house on a rock, well, it's not easy, friends, to build a house on a rock. But the foundation is firm. It has the right foundation, so that when the streams rose, when the wind will come and blow against that house, friends, that house will stand. It will not crash. It is able to withstand the test that would come. But how about the house that was built on a sand? Friends, the one that was built on sand won't last long. When the streams rose, when the wind would come to blow against that house, friends, it would crash with a great crash because it has a faulty foundation. And therefore, friends, let us build our house on the rock. Let's have the wisdom to do so. And knowledge and understanding come into play also. Because through understanding, we are told, friends, that its rooms will be filled with rare and beautiful treasures. What would be the rare and beautiful treasures that can be in that house? Friends, if you furnish your house and go buy furniture somewhere, those are not rare. Those are not special. You go to stores and you can find them. And many have been buying all these things. But we are told, friends, that if we are able to build it with wisdom, it will be furnished with rare and beautiful treasures. And what could this be? Well, friends, those that are living in there. You, your children, your husband, your brothers, your sisters, everyone living in that house will be rare and beautiful because their lives are founded on the Lord Jesus Christ, the rock. You will be so special, unlike others, so that you are treated as somebody that is beautiful and so rare. There is none like you, friends, because you are walking with the Lord. Your children are walking with the Lord. They have been instructed in the way that they should go, and they will walk in that path that will lead to life. And so with you and everybody else that live in your house, you will be very rare, friends. You will be a treasure before the eyes of God and before the eyes of men. You are special. You are beautiful. So let's build our house with wisdom. The wisdom that comes from the Lord. Let us not become foolish builders that would build our house on sand, because it won't last, friends. It will collapse. Let's build it on the Lord Jesus Christ. There will be a lot of sacrifices involved, but in the end, you can only look back and say, thank God, I've got my house built on the rock. It's standing. Regardless of what might come, it will stand. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May he lift up his countenance on you and give you his peace, his shalom. God bless. See you again next time. Bye.